Cooking with Frankie Meatball. It is barbecue time. Yes, today I'm actually going to barbecue something for you. I'm going to barbecue some wings with the Frankie Meatball barbecue rub. Make sure you get your rub, okay? And I'm going to make a peanut butter buffalo sauce here on Cooking with Frankie Meatball.
Hey, it's Timmy Talk from Worst Cooks in America, Season 14.
Hi guys, it's Cameron from Season 15 of Food Network's Worst Cooks in America.
Hi, it's Caitlin from Season 15 of Food Network's Worst Cooks in America, and you are now Cooking with Frankie Meatball.
Make sure you get your Frankie Meatball barbecue rub for free. That's right, for free. Email me at cookingwithfrankiemeatball@gmail.com. Get your free barbecue rub. All you gotta do is pay for shipping, which is only a couple dollars. That's a great price to pay for this little cute guy, eh? So anyway, let's get started, guys. You know, you get your wings, you chop them down, or you get the ones that are already chopped down. But you know, Frankie Meatball, we like doing things the fresh way, easier the better. You know what I'm saying? What you want to do is you cut your wings down, okay? Make some buffalo wings with them. Make sure you spread them out, right? You cut the joint. Cut it right in the joint. It will go right through. You don't need too sharp of a knife if you cut the joints, okay? You got your wings chopped, right? You get your Frankie Meatball seasoning. You sprinkle it over your wings. You give them a little mix. Get all that Frankie goodness all over them, okay? I tell you, I use this on all my meats. And I even use it in our buffalo sauce we're about to make. It's like a Frankie Meatball all-purpose meat seasoning. You know what I'm saying over here? You can rub it on anything. Chicken, rub it on all your meats. Rub it on your meat. I mean, any meat's good. Poultry, chicken, turkey, brisket. And I got a Texas brisket recipe that will knock your Aunt Connie's socks off. And if she doesn't wear socks, she's probably wearing those flip-flops. They'll fly off too, so don't worry about her flip-flops. But look, you got them nice and coated over here. Look, them nice and coated, huh? All right. You got your wings nice and seasoned. You got your grill heating up with the cover closed to get that nice and hot, right? You heated up your barbecue grill, okay? Now, you want your flame not too high, not too low. You want it kind of in the middle, okay? You got to play with it, you got to look at it, you got to feel it. You can't throw your wings on and then go fly away, you know what I'm saying? The reason why you don't want your temperature too hot is because your chicken's going to burn and finish cooking on the outside. It's not even going to cook on the inside. That's how you get your raw chicken. We're going to throw the wings on. You hear that? You hear that, huh? Nice and nice, right? All right, we're going to get the sauce started. As we're doing the sauce, we're going to keep flipping them. We're going to let them cook a little bit on that side. Look at that, huh? See how it's cooking? And I didn't let it cook too much on the one side, right? I like turning them a little bit, cook. Let them turn, cook, let them turn. Again, don't go putting your wings on and go fly away. You know what I'm saying? Even though the wings, you don't want to fly away. You want to stay here, you want to turn them. You know what I'm saying? Sauce time. I'm going to put some olive oil. Just a little bit like that, okay? We're going to do a half a stick of butter. We'll throw that in. A half a stick of butter to a 12-ounce bottle of your favorite hot sauce. Even though it's hot out, I still got to turn the burner on, you know? And this burner gotta be low because low is high, you know what I mean? So now we gotta move fast. I mean, because your barbecue burners, I mean, they're very powerful, okay? It's not like a kitchen stove. You got the butter and the olive oil in there, right? We're gonna do some garlic. You don't have to worry about chopping it because We're just doing for flavor. That butter is melting, okay? We don't want it to burn, so we're gonna take it off. Get your Frankie Meatball rub. So you took it off, it's still cooking, okay? Give a nice bit of it in there, all right? So you want the flavor. I'm telling you, this is like Frankie Meatball's all-purpose, guys. Get your rubber spat. Doesn't matter if it's pink, purple, blue, or white, because color doesn't matter, gabish? All right, look at that. Mix that in a little bit, take it off, okay? Honey. Give a nice little squirt. It's up to you how sweet you want it, all right? Put some honey in here. All right, we're gonna let the seasonings come together. Keep stirring it so we don't burn anything, okay? Well, this is getting ready to heat back up. Come over here, all right? Flip them wings. Flip them nice and nice, okay? Boom. Boom. Boom, huh? Whistle as you work, okay? Make sure it's not too hot. You want to keep flipping them. All right, now, shake. Give it a little shake. Pour that hot sauce right in. It's going to cool everything off for a little bit. Now we just mix it in. All right? Sauce is nice and mixed. We're waiting for it to come back up to its semi-boil. And then look, come and look at these wings. I'm telling you, award-winning wings. Frankie Meatball, huh? Look at them. They're cooking very nice, guys. These wings are going to be awesome, guys. Look at them, huh? All right, you hear that? Shh, listen, guys. Boom, that's like music to my ears, huh? That's a hit song over there, huh? Big Daddy Frank has written a Frankie Meatball theme song coming to an episode near you. His songwriting ability, forget about it. John Lennon, eat your heart out, huh? All right, I smell that hot sauce. So that hot sauce is probably bubbling a little bit. So we're going to take her off, okay, a little bit. Give it a nice little stir. Oh, smell that. That's your buffalo sauce. That's a quick barbecue buffalo sauce with the all-purpose Frankie Meatball barbecue rub. Guys, I'm going to keep saying it until I'm out of stock. Get your favorite peanut butter. I told you this one's my favorite. All right, so we're going to put 3 spoons in it to start with, okay? Now, you could put as much as you want, as little as you want. So we're going to take it off the flame, so we're not burning anything. Then we're going to mix that in. Check that out. It even looks beautiful, huh? Don't forget to taste as you cook. I mean, you got to know what it tastes like. Put it back on the flame. We're going to take it off the heat, give it a stir, and we're going to taste. Feeling a little bit more. Guys, the thicker the sauce is, it's okay because it's going to stick to your wings. You know, you want to stick to your wings. I mean, it's just perfectly seasoned with that. I'm telling you, like, this seasoning, it took me quite a long time to really get it. But you know what, guys? I got it, and it's pretty good. I'm working on another one. I'm working on a Texas brisket rub, and I'm working on a sweet and sassy rub. The same sassy spice, with a little bit of sweetness. And that's for my friend down in Mississippi. This is good to go. We're going to cover this up. We're going to shut it off. Cover it, keeps it nice and hot, still without the flame, and it keeps the bugs away. When you use the Frankie Meatball barbecue rub, you're going to get your boom, you're going to get your bing, and you're going to get your buffalo thing. And again, it's free, guys. What's shipping? $2? Ask Chris Scott. He's the first one to email me. Chris Scott got his. It costs him $5. $4 for shipping, huh? And you get the bing and the bang for the rub, eh? The rub that goes to bing and the bang, huh? Nice and crispy, okay? So these ones are getting pretty good. Now, look at that. It's still a bit rubbery, okay? So what I'm going to do is speed up the process a little bit, but you got to be careful because these wings, if you close the grill and you go fly away, you're gonna get a fire on your hands. And then you're gonna open it, you're gonna flip them, do it again. Now I know this is a lot of work, guys, but I'm telling you, this is how I get my wings beautiful. To get it cooked evenly and get it cooked to perfection, you gotta do a little bit of work. But if you don't want to do the work, I understand. You got people over, you wanna do whatever you gotta do. So that's when you call me up and you say, hey, Frankie Meatball, you come to my house and you cook for me and my guests. Hey, you know what my answer is gonna be? No problem. You gotta know the temperature of your grill, where it's hot, where it's not hot. That all plays in the perfect cooking, okay? This is beautiful. You could use it on anything. Look at these wings. Look at that, huh? Beautiful. See how these cooking getting there, huh? I got them right in the middle because that's my hottest spot. Look at this, mamma mia. I'm gonna close this one more time, give it a couple minutes, then we're gonna take it off, sauce them, and eat them. Here on Cooking Frankie Meatball. Oh God, look at that, guys, huh? I told you, this is it. You're gonna tell me that the work didn't pay off? Look at these beautiful wings. They're not burnt, they're just barbecued. Got my bowl, guys. Got my tongs. All right, time to sauce, guys. Time. Look at these. Look at them. Look at these. Look at that, guys. Come on. Come on. Tell me that don't look good. You could just eat them like this. You don't have to sauce them. Frankie Meatball Rob, I'm telling you. Look at that. Look at that. Huh? Come on, guys. Come on. Show me some love. Give me some comments, guys. Look at that. Come on. Forget about it. You know, somebody told me before that Italians can't barbecue because spaghetti slips through the grill. But this don't look like no spaghetti, huh? Look at that sauce. Smell that buffalo. Smell that buffalo. Smell that peanut butter, guys. Oh, mia.
That's my favorite peanut butter buffalo sauce.
Well, you gonna tell me you couldn't smell that from over there? Smell that, huh? Look at this, guys. Look how good it pours, huh? Nice and thick. Oh, look at that peanut butter. Oh, that's like making love right there, my friend. I'm gonna mix these up. I'm gonna get the plating, and I'll see you back. Beautiful, huh? Who said Italians couldn't barbecue? That don't look like spaghetti slipping through the grill, my friend. Hey, it all happened. This is the rub that made it possible, guys. Get your free rub, guys, free. Just pay for shipping, huh? And there's gonna be a Texas barbecue rub and a Mississippi-inspired rub called Sweet and Sassy. One more time, guys. Take a look at this beautiful peanut butter buffalo wings. I'm telling you, my love for peanut butter and my love for cooking, it just goes hand in hand. Follow us on Facebook. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. I'm telling you, Frankie Meatball Barbecue Rub is yours for free. Email me at cookingwithfrankiemeatball@gmail.com. What are you standing next to me over here? What's that? Give me this. Do your job, huh?
If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified when a new video comes out every Wednesday. And don't forget, check out PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the Four Fathers to the Bad Mothers of Rock.
Bad Mothers of Rock. Like who, buddy?
Like Mach 22, Rat Rod, Ozzy Osbourne, Twisted Sister, Kiss, and lots more others.
Lots more up to PhillyRockRadio.com. Thursday night, live with Johnny E. and Kevin. Live on PhillyRockRadio.com. I'm telling you, I can't look at these anymore. He can't look at these anymore. So we're going to tell him.